Here's an updated example that incorporates a CSS gradient color, outer glow, inner shadow, border drawing effect, color rotation, and glowing hover effect. glow-button.inner-shadow adds an inner shadow effect to the button using the box shadow property. glow-button.border-drawing creates a border drawing effect by using a gradient background and transitioning the background position on hover. glow-button.color-rotation rotates the background colors using a CSS animation. glow-button.glowing-hover adds a glowing effect to the button by applying a box shadow on hover. You can apply these classes to your button element to create the desired button styles and hover effects. Feel free to customize the colors and adjust the styles to match your project's requirements. Type HTML. HTML. Head. Link rel equals style sheet, type equals text to CSS, ref equals styles.css. Head. Body. Button class equals glow-button gradient, hover me button. Body. HTML. CSS, styles.css. Glow button. Display, inline block. Padding, 10px 20px. Font size, 16px. Font weight, bold. Text align, center. Color, #FFF. Background color. Transparent. Border, none. Border radius, 4px. Cursor, pointer. Position, relative. Overflow, hidden. Glow button, before. Content. Position, absolute. Top, 0. Left, 0. Width, 100%. Height, 100%. Background, linear gradient, 45 degrees, #FF4C4C, #FFCD02. Opacity, 0. Transition, opacity 0.3s, ease in out. Glow button, after. Content. Position, absolute. Top, -2px. Left, -2px. Width, CALC, 100% plus 4px. Height, CALC, 100% plus 4px. Border, 2px solid, #FF4C4C. Border radius, 4px. Opacity, 0. Transition, opacity 0.3s, ease in out. Glow button, hover, before. Opacity, 1. Glow button, hover, after. Opacity, 1. Glow button dot gradient. Background, linear gradient, 45 degrees, #FF4C4C, #FFCD02. glow-button.inner-shadow. Box shadow, inset 0010px bar 0000.3. glow-button.border-drawing. Background color, number 333. Color, #FFF. Overflow, hidden. Background image, linear gradient, to right, #FF4C, #FFCD02. Background size, 200% auto. Transition, background position 0.3 s ease in out. glow-button.border-drawing-hover. Background position, -100% center. glow-button.color-rotation. Background, linear gradient, 45 degrees, #FF4C, #FFCD02. Animation, color rotate to linear infinite. Add keyframes, color rotate 0%. Background position 0%, 50%. 50%. Background position 100%, 50%. 100%. Background position 0%, 50%. glow-button.glowing-hover. Background, #FF4C. Box shadow, 0010px #FF4C. Color, #FFF. Transition, box shadow 0.3 s ease in out. glow-button.glowing-hover. Box shadow, 0020px #FF4C. Glow-button.inner-shadow adds an inner shadow effect to the button using the box shadow property. Glow-button.border-drawing creates a border drawing effect by using a gradient background and transitioning the background position on hover. Glow-button.color-rotation rotates the background colors using a CSS animation. Glow-button. Glowing hover adds a glowing effect to the button by applying